My name's Rebecca, one of the co-founders of BotBuilders. So, who are the BotBuilders? BotBuilders started 10 years ago, in 2016. It's not just about robots. BotBuilders is about sharing our passion for STEM.
It means that we help people who might not have the opportunities that we have. We like to give back where we can. And those are, I think, are good qualities to instill in young people as they come through and become the generation of leaders that we kind of have.
It's a space for any student that is interested in just challenging themselves outside of what they normally do. We wanted to create a space for them. It's a group of people, it's a group of parents, it's a group of students that come together and we share ideas, we share our knowledge, and we share things with the world.
So the best thing about being a BotBuilder is you get to work with different people around the community. You get to work with like-minded folks that enjoy the same thing, and it helps develop skills as well.
More than a robotic competition, it's also a place for people to learn.
Being a BotBuilder has opened up many pathways for me in my future, and also provided me with lots of opportunities to build my skills and confidence.
The best thing about being a BotBuilder is the teamwork and collaboration between my teammates and myself.
People were like, wow, what do you do? And I explained to them and they're like, oh my gosh, that's so cool.
BotBuilders as a whole compete in 3 areas of FIRST LEGO League, FIRST Tech Challenge and FIRST Robotics Competition.
The best part of competition days are we get to see if what we made actually works, how well it works, and then see how it fares up against other robots.
Being able to be focused the entire time under a fair bit of stress. And having ideally the result that we want at the end. It's always incredibly fulfilling and very, very fun.
I've seen lots of different emotions while I'm on that field, from super high to super low. It's something I'll never forget.
The highlight for me definitely had to be qualifying for Worlds. I've been trying for many years, and to finally do it was very, very exciting.
We're waiting through all the award ceremony, and it just gets to inspire and they call us out.
The work that the students put in over the year, they truly deserve that award, and it really does mean a lot to us.
Yeah, I've changed a lot since I first came into BotBuilders, especially through my confidence to talk and to present myself in front of people.
Before I was at BotBuilders, I was a lot more shy and had probably a lot less confidence due to the amount of outreach and amount of talking to people we do. I think I've developed my social skills a lot more.
Being with so many like-minded people, I've made a lot of friends here, and I think we'll stay friends for a long time, even after we've graduated from the team.
I look at BotBuilders as, I guess, my large family. They all mean so much to me. It's like, I have 3 of my own kids, and then I have all these other kids that I want to just put in my arms and give them as much as I can, because they all deserve it. And I'm so, so proud of all of them.